Yeah, so I was at the annual AWS, which is Amazon Web Services developer conference, which happens once a year, Vegas, baby, and it's a pretty big deal in the tech world because I think roughly about 65 to 70% of the world's sort of cloud technology is running on AWS, and these guys are like big players in the field. You know, they innovate, we reap them benefits, and ultimately we're better for it as a company. So whenever we're successful, they're successful. So it's in their interest to keep us on board, keep us interesting, keep innovating, you know, and just making sure that they're leading the forefront of like technology and innovation. Because like I previously said, when we find success because of them, they're also successful and they can continue to innovate. So it's really good place to go to learn. Every year I go and we come back with just loads of new tech, stuff that's going to drive the company forward, that's going to alter our technology stack, make us more efficient, and ultimately delivers a better product. This year was all about the machine learning and AI hype. Let's say a year ago, this sort of technology, which is their product called SageMaker, was quite hard to get into, and it was quite hard to like onboard yourself into it. You had to learn a lot, you had to learn new frameworks, and these systems were actually just quite difficult to work with, and I guess that was just because it was very new. But the thing is with machine learning is the potential to what you can create with this sort of technology is incredible. So it's in Amazon's interest to lower that barrier, and that's what they did exactly that this year. Last year, it was all about serverless computing, and I came back last year, and that's exactly what we did. I've got this sort of bit of a reputation for coming back from AWS and saying, right, this is what we're doing, like we're going to use this technology, that technology, this technology, we're going to improve efficiency, we're going to reduce costs. And, you know, for the most part, you know, we did it. And that was based on last year. But this year I was like, oh, am I going to be able to come back and actually roll out machine learning to, you know, within Pillar? And I was like really sort of doubtful that I could. But by Wednesday, you know, I had that magical like click moment, and I was like, I know machine learning.
I know Kung Fu.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was just gonna say. I spent the whole rest of my time just realizing what I could do. Exciting times. Bye. Happy Christmas.